You got something on, Nut?
I got something on.
Does it feel pretty good or what?
Feels all right. Bringing it in. Here it comes. It's a smallie. No, it's not. It's a walleye. What? It's
Woohoo!
a perfect walleye.
Look at that.
Wow.
Nice one.
Almost lost it. Dad, grab him.
Grab him under the gill.
Okay. Oh. Ow.
There you go.
Oh my goodness.
There. Jeez. A good one. All right. In for a minute. There he goes.
Yep. Bye. Bye, walleye. It hit pretty good. That was fun. We got there, Willie.
I think it's a smallmouth.
Oh boy. Ooh. Oh, it looks like a really nice one. Here comes. Oh. Oh.
Get him over here.
Oh. He's running. Oh, it's a really nice one.
Got him.
A couple minutes after I just caught that walleye. Now they're biting.
The hook's already out.
Nice, Willie. I'm gonna take a photo of you.
Can you see him?
Yeah. Willie, you got another smallmouth?
I do. Thought he was a walleye. He wasn't fighting, but now once he gets up to the boat, happy. He wants to just dig and stay down. Oh, little rascal. Got him. Look at that little guy.
That's a pretty nice one.
Got a fish on?
Yeah, I was just reeling in. We're about to take off.
Nice.
It's a nice one.
Let's see what it is. Sounds like a smallie. Oh, no, he's still on. He is a nice one. Got him. Congratulations. You might have the biggest one of the trip so far. Wow.
Cool, huh?
Pretty neat.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Happy anniversary, baby. Pretty good anniversary so far.
Sure has been. We're going out to catch more fish. We just had a really good meal at Nitty's.
It was delicious.
Willie had a burger and I had some wings.
Now we're gonna go try to catch a few fish.
Oh yeah. Sun just set and it sure was beautiful. Tip of the rod in the sunset, would you?
There you go, we got a picture of it. Is it coming up?
Looks like a walleye.
Wow. Oh. Quick release.
Darn it. Ah, shook off.
Well, cast her back out and
That
we'll
was
catch
pretty
another.
exciting. Billy's got the lights out. It's getting kind of dark. It's feeling a little romantic. With the moon and the sun setting. It's been a pretty good 6 years. Piper's been with us for 5.
Scratch out one more fish before we go in.
One more.
What we can do.
Love you, Willie.
Love you too. I got a fish on. Nighttime walleye.
Oh boy.
Well, it's like 9 o'clock. Oops.
Oh, what is it?
It's a walleye.
Hey.
Relax walleye.
Oop.
Look at that guy.
Perfect eater.
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice one. He's even unhooked already.
Look at that.
Perfect eater, but we can't eat him.
No.
This is Mille Lacs, and he's an endangered species.
Cheese.
Alright. Last fish. Time to go home. God.
It's a lot darker than what the camera's actually picking up. There's a big boat way out there, and I think they're heading in pretty soon here. We're not supposed to be out on the lake at night. So we better get out of here. It was a good day, huh, Willie?
Great day. Good anniversary day.
It sure was.